I'm glad you bring up Alper and Şengün and those guys because everyone talks about Jalen Green. He's a star.
Oh yeah.
Şengün, he definitely has my respect. I feel like he's one of those cornerstone players that we can go forward with. But also, I do agree with you. I feel like maybe a year ago I thought that the Rockets were a lot further ahead in that rebuild process. But with that D'Amico Ryans hire, that is a culture changing move, and it brings that excitement for not only you say the locker room and those players, but just the city and the supporters of that team as well. But the Rockets, like you say, it's kind of hard to see what direction that they're going to go in because they have such young talent, and it seems like as if they picked we've had a first round pick and a high pick, a lottery pick in the last 2 drafts, and we get a great guy, and then we think, okay, this may be a guy that can lead us to more wins or things like that, and we continuously tank. But with the Texans, they add veteran pieces. They add a great coaching staff who are young but also experienced. So I'm excited to see where both teams go, but especially those Texans right now.
Oh yeah, man, it's exciting, talking about the Texans as of right now. Because like I said, man, this is the first time probably since 2019 that and trust me, even though they got D'Amico Ryans, I'm not about to sit here and say that this is a team that's about to go from winning 3 games to 13 games and being Super Bowl contention. But with the hiring of D'Amico Ryans and even some of the young pieces that they got, like Jalen Petrie, Derek Stingley Jr., Damian Pierce, Bryce Young or CJ, whoever you want to pick,
Right.
It shows that they are finally laying down a foundation to where you look up in the next couple of years, maybe they can be the team in the AFC competing to get to that big game on Sunday.